to talk about the Motocabin that's right behind me, which is a pretty cool, nifty device here in northern New Jersey.
That's correct.
And he's going to tell us all about the Motocabin and how, if you have a motorcycle or a small vehicle, how this thing is going to come in handy. So let's talk to him and let's get all the information.
Hey, Rob.
Hey, what's up, man?
How you doing?
Good, good. Oh, this is pretty cool. This is called the Motocabin?
That's correct.
And this is your company?
That's correct.
Oh, fantastic.
Yes. We are the only motorcycle storage that's actually portable and
like a portable
stationary.
pod.
That's correct.
That's pretty
It's
neat.
a motorcycle cover that you can move it wherever you want to.
Yeah, it's
You can
super
actually
convenient.
Put it on your trailer too.
How heavy is this?
It's about 400 pounds.
400 pounds. It's really not that heavy at all.
Nope.
Now, you said earlier that this comes slightly disassembled and you would deliver this and install this wherever they want.
Well, we try to do our own deliveries within tri-state area.
Okay.
Up to Maine or DC area. We're in New Jersey right now.
So the Northeast all the way down to the Mid-Atlantic area.
That's correct. But we do have deal with furniture delivery company.
Okay.
It's a big item and we don't like to send it via freight companies. Sometimes it could get damaged and it's pretty costly.
Yeah.
So LA area is deliverable and East Coast we deliver everywhere.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice.
So I have a lot of customers in Miami and LA area, everywhere in the US basically. Yep.
Very cool.
It's a family business.
Nice.
It's imported from Turkey and we've been selling them in US since 2017.
Wow.
Yep. We were in Jacob Jarrett International Motorcycle Show.
Cool.
And then it took off.
Yeah, I can imagine. I don't have a motorcycle. I've never had one, but I could see how this can come in really handy. You know, especially in our area in the winter months, you can, and you don't have a garage.
That's correct.
You can store it.
Or if you have a lot of toys in your garage, which in this case I do.
And you want to protect it.
That's correct. And when you close it and lock it, kids cannot touch it. And
how easy is it to lock? I mean, it looks pretty straightforward.
Yep. You close it and lock it. I can show you.
And this is a Road King, you said, right?
That's correct. This is a Road King.
And you got tons of room. I mean, you got like another 3 feet.
Yeah, sure. Well, if you have the newer ones, they have a big luggage bags in the back.
Okay.
And also the enduro bikes are really tall.
Yeah,
so
true.
It accommodates all of them.
Nice. Oh, jeez. That's so cool. And it's lockable. It's got a lock on there.
That's correct. Right now it's unlocked, so open it.
That's so convenient.
You close it.
Easy peasy.
Locked.
Incredible. Very nice. I mean, it's nice looking too. You know, it's not like it's going to catch anyone's eye or anything like that. You know.
Yeah, I got a lot of compliments.
Ventilation.
I had a lot of you can leave the bike hot once when you come home after riding a couple hours. Leave the bike in it and there's a ventilation.
That's cool.
Yeah.
How's inventory?
We have them in stock.
Plenty?
Ready to be delivered, yes.
Okay. Here in the States?
That's correct, here in Pahrumps.
Nice, nice.
Yes, we have them in stock. Worst case scenario, a week to 2 weeks to assemble and deliver them.
Are there multiple sizes or just this one size?
One size.
Okay.
It's a very difficult item to picture it because when you look at it from distance, you wouldn't think a Road King will fit in it.
Yeah.
But it does.
It does easily.
All the bikes fit in it and you have 2 feet in the back.
Very cool.
Yeah. So this is our second model. The original model was one piece fiberglass. It was very expensive to build.
Okay.
And not everybody was able to open it up.
Right.
So we came out with this design. We call it shell. So let me open it for you.
It's like a clamshell type.
If you look from here, you can see how it operates. Pretty basic. There is 2 pins on each side.
Okay.
And there's nothing really to break. And anytime anybody has any requests for any part, we ship them for free.
You can get them.
We don't charge it.
No, it's super easy. Super light, super easy to open and close, lock up. I mean, within seconds, you can get your bike in here, locked up, and ready to go.
Yep. Let's go for a
What
ride.
kind of warranties do you have?
We warranty them 1 year.
1 year.
But again, if there's any parts requested, we don't charge. We ship them.
You'll ship it right away. Nice.
This is how long it takes to. I think it's faster than folding your cover, right?
Yeah,
Take
very
the key
nice.
and go for a ride.
That's so cool. And from the moment that they order, can they order this online?
Yes.
Okay.
Motocabin.com is my website. We work with Shopify.
Okay.
Recently, we heard a lot about on Facebook Marketplace. There's scammers and spams and all that stuff. So I suggest them to go through our website, which is motocabin.com.
Okay.
They can contact us directly, email, via phone, or whatever they like.
I'm assuming all your information's on there, the
That's
contact
correct.
information.
Yes.
Cool.
We have two colors, gray and off-white. I
Off-white.
can show you later.
Yeah,
Yep,
definitely. I'm sure that's all on your website too, right?
that's correct.
So
Yes.
incredible.
And they can choose and purchase it, but we ask people to contact us to figure out what would the delivery cost be.
Yeah,
Yep. Right now we sell them for $2,899.
$2,899.
Plus tax and delivery, and we have them in stock.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you.
Very cool. Now we'll share this on some of the websites and stuff like that, some of those media platforms, bike platforms and stuff, and even some of the car platforms because they have bikes too, you know. So very cool.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome,
I
Rob.
appreciate
Thank
it.
you.